Ever wondered how soap is made? In the next few minutes, you'll see how it's transformed from oil into the soap we use every day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. It all begins here. 30 tons of raw vegetable oil arrive by tanker, surging through heated pipes to start a journey that ends at your kitchen sink. In this glass inspection chamber, the golden oil meets a liquid catalyst. It's a chemical handshake that triggers a massive molecular transformation. Inside the 3-story reactor, the mixture hits 100 degrees Celsius. Massive steel paddles churn the brew until the oil and lye become one. A blast of brine forces the neat soap to the surface. Like a rising tide, the pure soap lifts away, leaving the heavy impurities to sink. Now purified, the creamy white soap spills over the edge of the vat. It's a literal river of foam, racing toward the drying towers at top speed. The liquid soap is atomized into a vacuum chamber. In an instant, the water evaporates and the liquid turns into a blizzard of solid soap flakes. These flakes land on a freezing steel drum. It's a thermal shock that fuses the snow into a single, translucent sheet of solid soap. A stationary steel blade peels the sheet away. It fractures into long, delicate ribbons that crackle as they break free from the rotating metal. The ribbons tumble down a deep chute. They're destined for the pelletizer, where they'll be crushed and shaped into uniform pieces for storage. Forced through a die plate, the soap emerges as thousands of tiny noodles. This massive surface area is crucial for the next stage of the process. The white soap noodles rain down into the mixing bowl. We're building a mountain of raw material, vibrating with the pulse of the factory floor. Now for the personality. A concentrated mineral blue pigment is sprayed across the white soap, marbling the mixture in a swirling dance of color. Next, a fine mist of essential oils is injected. This shimmering cloud coats every noodle, giving the batch its signature high-end scent. Giant blades press and knead the mixture. The blue streaks disappear as the color becomes perfectly uniform, turning the pile into a dense, fragrant clay. The mixer floor slides open and the blue mass drops onto a high-speed belt. It's warm, it's fragrant, and it's moving toward the final forge. A giant chrome screw auger bites into the soap. It pulls the mass down into a narrowing steel throat, preparing it for incredible pressure. Squeezed through fine mesh screens, the soap is pulverized and fused. Every air pocket is crushed out, creating a flawless, rock-solid density. Thermal pipes wrap the barrel, softening the soap just enough to flow. The pressure is at its peak as we reach the end of the line. The soap emerges from the final die. It's no longer a mess of pellets, but a perfectly smooth, infinite blue log gliding onto the rollers. The log moves with a mirror sheen finish. Cooling fans blast the sides, locking in the shape as it heads toward the high-speed cutters. The rotary cutter drops with surgical precision. It slices the infinite log into uniform slugs, dividing the blue stream without missing a beat. A high-speed belt pulls the slugs apart. These mathematical gaps are essential to give the stamping press enough room to work its magic. Each slug enters the stamping station. 2 chilled steel molds move in from the sides, ready to hammer the soap into its final form. Tons of pressure crush the slug. Excess soap is squeezed out as the brand logo is indented deep into the center with a heavy mechanical thud. Vacuum suction cups pull the finished bar away. It's sleek, ergonomic, and perfectly branded, but it's still too soft to pack. The excess trimmings fall into a recovery chute. In this factory, nothing is wasted. These blue ribbons head straight back to the start of the press. The bars climb a massive vertical spiral. They're moving through refrigerated air to harden the core and lock in the fragrance. Inside the chill, the soap loses its translucency. It becomes a hard, opaque blue stone, durable enough to withstand the high-speed packing line. At the top of the tower, the bars begin their descent. They funnel into a single lane, clacking together in a rhythmic mechanical parade. Strobe lights and lasers scan every bar. If a logo is misaligned or a corner is chipped, a puff of air kicks it off the line instantly. The perfect bars enter the wrapper. A continuous roll of printed film envelops the soap, creating a protective tube of paper in a blur. Heated metal teeth bite down on the ends. They fuse the film with a puff of steam, creating a tamper-proof seal in a fraction of a second. Nearby, mechanical fingers snap flat cardboard into 3D boxes. The timing is perfect, aligning exactly with the incoming flow of wrapped bars. A mechanical plunger slides the bar into its box. The flaps slam shut. A drop of glue seals the lid, and the package is born. A robotic arm sweeps 24 boxes into a heavy-duty shipping carton. A giant tape dispenser zips across the top, sealing the deal. The pallet is loaded, the roller door booms shut, and the fresh soap lorry pulls away. Another 1,000,000 bars are heading out to the world. So there we have it, the full process of making soap explained. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which process you want to see next.